Well, it is now actually official, and this is coming straight from Austin Forkner's mouth, or right, well, technically from his Instagram. Him and Kawasaki are done. No, obviously this is not exactly the biggest news in the world because it's pretty well been rumored for a while that he's been going to Triumph, and then what was it last month, earlier this month, whatever it was, Rhino posted that on his Instagram, which I think had been since taken down. Correct me if I'm wrong, maybe. And basically saying, yeah, Faulkner's moving to Georgia. He's going to be with Triumph, releasing the news before anybody else, getting a head start. But as of today, on his Instagram, Austin Faulkner said, quote, 14 years with Race Kawasaki, Fox Racing, and about half of that with PC Race Team. From Ryan Holiday and Team Green to Todd and Aaron at Fox, who signed me originally, then to Mitch and the whole PC team and Kenny at Fox now, as well as everyone else who's been a part of my program, I want to say thank you. Everything comes to an end eventually, but I appreciate the effort from everyone over the years, and I'll cherish the good times and memories with each and every one of these guys. Thank you for believing in me, sticking by me, and being more than just a team. I've made some lifelong relationships, and I'm forever grateful. Thank you. And you got to say, this team has stuck by him through a lot of stuff. Was it since he hasn't finished a supercross season since like 2017, something like that, 2019. So for a at one point one of the best teams in two, like they're still one of the best teams in the 250s. They just haven't won anything in a while. But for a full factory squad to keep a guy as long as they have through all the injuries he's had. I mean, a lot of these people get 1, maybe 2 years to prove themselves, and then if you don't, sorry, we're moving on to somebody else. And with every single year him being injured, like, yeah, he's shown he's fast. He's shown he's competitive. He is a championship level rider. So that's probably the thinking behind it, especially last year where he was leading and just one freak accident took him out. But it's one of those things that for the team, it sucks because every year you're fielding a rider, you have to have a mechanic for him, all the bikes, all the pieces and parts and everything. And when he gets injured, you just kind of, well, we're paying for somebody that's not going to be there. But I don't know. I think it's going to be good, probably a good move. After a certain point, you just got to, a change of scenery, a change of team, change of bike is probably might be just helpful. You never know. And if he is technically going to Triumph, well, that will probably be announced soon. And I don't know. I think it's good. Change the scenery, change the bike, change the routine. Maybe something just clicks a little bit better. Like, obviously, he wasn't slow or bad on the Kawasaki, but you never know. Some little thing might be good for him, and we'll see where this goes. Obviously, with Triumph being still the second year now, they're still in the short development season, kind of whatever you want to call it. And being how fast he is and competitive he is, it's going to be good for that team to put somebody that fast on the bike and progress faster and see where they fall into line. And he did, a couple months ago, you had a interview or something. They were talking about there was a few teams offering a 250 and a 450 contract. So Triumph might be that team. Goes over there, races the 250 this year, maybe next year, whatever it is, and then moves up to the 450, and we'll see where it goes. But comments below. I want to hear from you guys. Do you think he should have stayed with Kawasaki? Do you think he'll be good at Triumph? Is it a good move for him? Or should he have gone somewhere else maybe? I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.